Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, أن تقولوا إنما أنزل الكتاب على طائفتين من قبلنا وإن كنا عن دراستهم لغافلين. Translation: lest you should say that the book was sent only on two nations before us, and we remained unaware of what they read. In the previous ayah, we studied about Quran, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent the Quran, and this Quran is full of blessings and barakah, so that the people follow it and people fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that they can earn the rahmah, the beneficence and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In today's ayah, it is about the people of Quraysh, that those people used to make excuses and used to make different reasoning, and one of that was they used to say that we did not get a book. The previous books of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala came to Bani Israel and came to the Jews and the Christians. So how can we follow those books? And the Jews and Christians wanted that the people of Arab follow their religion, and the Arabs used to say that since the book did not come to us, we will not follow these books. However, some of the Arabs, like Warqa bin Nawfal, who was present at the time of the start of Wahi on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, studied the Bible, and he used to read that and translate that in Arabic language. But majority of the Arabs did not read the Bible or the gospel, and they used to make different excuses. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent the final book on the best of the best Arab, that was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was the trustworthy and who was the truthful. So the people of Arab had left no excuse with them that they did not get the book. They got the final book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and all of their excuses became impractical and baseless. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among those who don't make false excuses, who accept the truth with open hearts, and Allah connect us to the truthful people and give us guidance through Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.